The Turbosmart Kompact Shortie dual port blow-off valve is designed for the 2011-12 3.5L EcoBoost F-150. This blow-off valve is a great option for owners who want to increase boost levels safely up to 30 psi for more power and performance, or for owners who just want to enjoy that classic blow-off sound. Your factory electronic blow-off valves were not designed for the performance or higher level boost that some tunes provide, so this Shortie valve will provide your motor with more boost retention and better throttle response, thanks to the mechanical valve being adjustable from soft to hard based on how much boost you're adding. Everything is included in the box for a bolt-on install, and you'll be needing 2 of these for your model year, so expect 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and about 1 to 2 hours per valve. The Shortie dual port blow-off valve is mechanically controlled unlike your factory electronic valve, and this is one of the biggest benefits of upgrading. I say this because the Shortie valve can open and close more reliably, and it guarantees better boost control. This will ultimately provide more consistent manifold pressure, and it'll keep your turbo spooled for better throttle response. Adding more boost to your engine with the factory valve can also cause engine wear, because it tends to bleed boost and can cause compressor surge. So if you're adding any more boost at all, this is just a safe upgrade. For the best performance and to get the desired sound of the valve venting, start at the softest setting and work your way up until you're happy with everything. Compared to your stock plastic valve, the Turbosmart is built from aircraft-grade aluminum, and the lightweight brass actuator inside allows for quicker valve response. The Shortie uses a softer spring in the body of the blow-off valve, which allows for that faster response. And it's this little upgrade that also reduces compressor surge like I talked about. This in turn prevents leaks or premature venting of the higher boost levels. At just over $170, this is one of the most affordable 30 psi blow-off valves currently offered. With the high quality materials and design that will safely allow increased performance and everything needed for a bolt-on install, this should be in anyone's higher boost build. Switching gears to the install. Because of the bolt-on design, this is getting 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you could expect to spend about 1 to 2 hours getting each valve installed. Now let's get over to the shop so I can show you how to get this installed.
Now that we're in the shop, we're going to get the truck up on the lift, we're going to take the tire off, remove the inner fender liner to gain access to the blow-off valve. Now we're going to take the tire off. We have the truck on the lift because it's going to give us easier access. You can still do this on the ground, it's just going to be a little bit tougher. We're going to take out the bolts that hold the inner fender liner in to gain access to the valve. You're going to see me taking out 2 bolts because that's what our fender liner has currently. Now, with the inner fender liner removed, we now have access to the stock blow-off valve. We're going to take out the 3 bolts with a 5mm Allen key. Now that the 3 bolts are removed, when removing the stock blow-off valve, be careful to take out all of the internal pieces. They can drop and you will lose them. You'll need them if you ever want to go back to stock. And now our final step for disassembly is just to remove the vacuum line from the valve. Now, with the stock blow-off valve removed, we're going to take our Turbosmart and we're going to place it in the same location using new hardware. It's going to be the same 5mm Allens. With your new Turbosmart blow-off valve in and your new hardware fully tightened, we're just going to take our vacuum line and connect it right to our blow-off valve. And with that, the driver's side's all done. For the passenger side, it's going to be the same steps. Pop the tire off, use 3 bolts, take it off, 3 new bolts to put it on, and you're done. And that wraps up my review and install of Turbosmart's Kompact Shortie blow-off valve. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.